Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and this is our second strategy for today, 1st of March 2023. And here we are going to be trading the Volatility 50 index, touch no touch, and we're going to be trading the touch right here. So we're going to be using the candle chart again. So once you log into your account, choose the Volatility 50 index. You can go to the chart type, click on the candle, click on the time interval 1 minute, then you're going to set the minutes here. Say changes to minutes, changes to 2, it will be 2 by default. Once you change to 2 minutes, sorry, change your barrier offset to minus 0.0478. That's minus 0.0478. So we're going to be watching this candle. Once it's dropping down, we're going to be clicking on touch. Once it's dropping down, you can see it's going right up there, it's going up. Once it's dropping down, because our barrier is set to rebound to minus, so once it's dropping down, we're going to be clicking on touch. Okay, it's dropping down right here, so we click on touch, then we'll wait for the outcome of that trade right there. That's our time count. You can see right there we are close. There's no resell offer, but we've already won that trade right there. You can see we made 12.52 there. We made 12.52. So before we proceed, we're going to place more trades. For those who haven't purchased our boat, don't forget we've updated our boat a few days ago. The TOUCHSCALPER boat has been updated, and the update has been sent to those who have purchased the boat earlier. We can see some of the results right there. So here is a link to order this boat: www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. visit the website. The boat is just $9.99 USD, and you can see so many payment options: perfect money, web money, PayPal, debit card, Bitcoin, Ethereum, bank transfer, and other payment options. The PIPSREAPER boat has been updated as well. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, all you have to do is to visit binary PIPSREAPER.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and the PIPSREAPER boat is $7.99 USD. Same payment options on the order page. And we also gave out a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices. If you order any of our bots, you also get some free bots as well. You get the free Forex trading ebook, and you get the free Forex trading bot as well when you order any of our bots. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So here are the links. There's a link to order the PIPSREAPER bot. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube. Here is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER bot, and here is a link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. Here are the links to subscribe to our channels. As the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So the links to download the ebooks are also here as well, and the links to download the free bots we gave out for free in the ebook guide. Check the links. So here is a link to read written tutorials on our forum website. So let's get back to trading. So we're going to watch again. You can see when it's going down, don't place the trade. It has to go up a little, then go right down before you place the trade. You can see right there. Let's wait for it to push up and rebound. Because it's going up now, so when it's dropping down, we're going to place the trade. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for another candle. I prefer it when the candle is green. Okay, our candle is green now. Okay, let's wait for it to go right up a little. Candle is red again. Don't forget we're watching the last candle. Okay, it's going up, it's down again. Okay, our candle is green now, so we have to be ready to go. Let's wait for it to push right up. So once it's dropping down, we're going to click on touch. Okay, you can see I waited a little long there. So you can see, there you go again, we won that trade. You can see I had to wait so long for the green candle to turn up and to go right up before I placed the trade. So always wait for the green candles, always wait for the green candles. Just be patient, always wait, and make sure it's going right up, and once it's dropping down a little, you click on the touch button right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.